Already we have seen what is steady state error and error constants. Position error constant, velocity error constant, and acceleration error constants we have seen. Now let us see generalized error constants. For a closed loop system, G of S equal to, for a closed loop system, G of S equal to 1 upon S plus 5 and H of S equal to 5. H of S equal to 5. Calculate the generalized error coefficients and find error series. What is error series? What is error series? E steady state generalized error series equal to C naught R of t minus C1 R dot of t divided by 1 factorial plus tau, that is inside C1, okay, plus C2 R double dot of t divided by 2 factorial plus etc. plus Ck, kth derivative of R upon k factorial. That's all. This is generalized error series. What is the question? Calculate the generalized error coefficients. What are the generalized error coefficients? C naught, C1, C2, etc. So what is C naught? Generalized error coefficient C naught equal to limit S tends to 0, f of S. Limit S tends to 0, f of S is 1 upon 1 plus G of S, H of S. G of S, H of S. Substitute limit S tends to 0, 1 upon 1 plus G of S is 1 by S plus 5 and H of S equal to 5. Therefore, what we will get is S plus 5 whole divided by S plus 5 plus 5. S plus 5 plus 5. That is equal to S plus 5 divided by S plus 10. Limit S tends to 0. Limit S tends to 0. Limit S tends to 0. That is equal to 5 by 10 equal to 0.5. C naught equal to 0.5. What is C1? C1 equal to limit S tends to 0 d by ds of f of s. What is f of s? F of s is this s plus 5 divided by s plus 10 is f of s. Therefore, limit s tends to 0 d by ds of s plus 5 upon s plus 10. That is equal to limit s tends to 0 s plus 10 whole square s plus 10. Derivative of numerator is 1 plus s plus 5. The derivative of denominator is again 1. Therefore, limit s tends to 0 s plus 10 plus s plus 5 whole divided by minus s plus 10 minus s plus 5 upon s plus 10 whole square. That is equal to s getting cancelled. Therefore, 10 minus 5 is 5 divided by, if limit s tends to 0, what you will get? 100, 10 square 100, 5 by 100. That is equal to 0.05. C1 equal to 0.05. At least we have to find the 3 coefficients in the examination. At least 3. So let us find C3, C2 also. C2 equal to what? Limit S tends to 0, d by d square by ds square of s plus 5 upon s plus 10. Second derivative of this. What is first derivative? We know d by ds of limit s tends to 0. D by ds of d upon ds of first derivative is what? S plus 10 whole square. Numerator s getting cancelled and you are getting 5 only in the numerator. 5 upon s plus 10 whole square. 5 upon s plus 10 whole square. That is equal to limit s tends to 0, limit s tends to 0, derivative of this is equal to what? 1 by s square, it becomes s cube. And the derivative of this is 1. Therefore, what you will get? A minus 5, we are taking outside, minus 2, 1 upon s plus 10 whole cube. That is equal to limit s tends to 0. Therefore, minus 10 upon 1000. That is equal to minus 0.01. C2. That's all. That is sufficient. Only 3 terms if you write, then it is okay. Third term is negative. First term and second term are positive. Therefore, generalized error series is limit s tends to generalized error series E steady state equal to limit t tends to infinity E of t equal to what is the first term? C1 equal to 0.05. C1 equal to 0.05 R of t plus what is second term? C1 equal to first term is 0.5. First term is 0.5. Second term is 0.05. 0.5 R dot of t plus third term is minus 0.01. That is C2 R double dot of t plus etc. Plus etc. That's all. That is the series. So first part is over. Find error series. First part is we have to find C0, C1, C2. Generalized error coefficient. Only 3 is sufficient.